Good morning, good afternoon. My name is Dr. John from West Chase Wellness Chiropractic Center. We're going to demonstrate what a full chiropractic adjustment will look like in my office. Afterwards, we're going to do a Y strap adjustment too. Here we go. We're going to demonstrate. Screw down a little bit for me. Perfect. The paper does come up. We do push from posterior to anterior a little bit on the spine. And restore the curvature of the spine. That's what we're trying to do. A lot of people have a straightened curvature of the spine. Sometimes it could be like reverse curvature the people have. Our goal is to make the curvature, get the curvature back into the spine, especially the neck. And when you have a straight neck, it causes you like headache, fatigue, dry eye, watery eye, painful eye. Those kind of things can happen. Also tingling down your arm, that could happen also. Cough, crop, kind of thing like that happen. This upper back, it helps you. People, particular people like, for example, have asthma, it's good for that. Bronchitis and all that kind of thing adjustment really helps the lung function better. As I go down her spine, I'm palpating and finding the misalignment of spine and adjust that area that's misalignment. Very good. Now I'll get to down here. Here usually affect people that have, for example, menstrual cramp, constipation, diarrhea, bloating, irritable bowel problem kind of thing, and low back pain numbs down the leg. Good. So in this position, in this first position looks pretty nice. Legs even. The second position, her legs is a little bit short on the left leg. We're gonna fix the pelvic now. Good. Ups in there. The patient is enjoying this at the time. It's good to see the patient again just their first time in my office here. Good. Just relax. Good. That looks a lot better. I'm gonna bend that knee. Flex, so there's a little tightness on the right leg, so I'm gonna fix that right leg tightness. Awesome there. Awesome there. Awesome there. Awesome there. Now we'll double check what I just did on her. Excellent. Wow, it freed up a whole lot. She probably felt a little better already. Awesome. Now we're going to adjust the spine from the low back up to the low back here. So I'm going to ask the patient, I'm going to push and push. Hit. Breathe in and take a deep breath and hold it. Good. Awesome. Breathe out. That was really good adjustment. Really awesome. Good. I'll come on this side here. Oh, wonderful. On your side from me, please. On this side, facing this way. Awesome. Good. Awesome. You just relax. Perfect. You're doing great. You just relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Push here. Awesome. Other side from me. Good. Good. Excellent. Leg straight here. Perfect. Leg straight. Good. Just like that. Perfect. Just like that. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Awesome. On your back face up. That was a good one.
Felt amazing.
Yes, that felt amazing.
Yeah,
I
really
also
good.
like to get the extremity of the human body. Get the there's the thumb issue here. Good. All right. Come on the other side here. Yeah, she's ready. She got the arm down ready. Oh boy, that was a good one. Good. Just relax there. Now, we can get the ankles and the knee. Just relax. Oh,
Nice.
that was lovely. That. Good. The knee, let's get the hip. You just relax. Oh, whew. Oh, nice. Good. Relax here. Awesome there. That was a good one.
It was.
Good. Now get the chest open up. A lot of people tend to pro the chest forward. Computer work. Open up the chest. Good. 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 Thank you. Now we put the head in this position to put it back in proper alignment. A lot of people have head tilt because the computer work. This will help that. Good. Now we're going to use the Y strap on her. This is the first time for her to get it. And back down. So I always tell my patient, it feels very strange. It feels like a shotgun-like sensation down your spine a little bit. And it's going to feel good and feel strange at the same time. Very different at the same time. Just relax. I'm going to do a tug. I never tell the patient when I'm going to do it. So it's going to be a total surprise. And they're going to say, whoo, that's going to be good stuff.
Oh, that was nice. That was nice.
That was nice.
That was nice.
Oh, I like that. The color's coming back on you. Yes, the redness, the blood supply is coming back on the patient. Now I'm going to adjust the neck. Piece of leg. Good. Very good. Awesome. Wow. That's nice. Nice. Relax a little bit. Awesome. Good. Good. That's really nice. Don't move. Now she can get to hear a little better. Wow, she hear better. Boom. Now sit up. We've got a few more things I gotta do. Turn it. Focus the camera. Good. Don't move. How's that so far?
I feel amazing.
That's amazing. Thank you. Almost done. Just relax. Oh my goodness. Nice. Nice shoulder movement. Hold your arm like that. Keep it up. Chin up. Right towards the ceiling. Awesome. Just keep it like that. Keep arms up. Good. Put your arm down. All right. Now she's gonna come around and you're gonna tell the YouTuber, please like us and subscribe. Hit the like button, okay? And now she's gonna talk. Christy's gonna talk how it's like being just the first time in the office.
This was a much better experience than I've had in other chiropractic offices. It wasn't feeling like I was getting beaten up and feeling like he was working with my body, not against it, to force it to do something it wasn't supposed to do, which was so relieving. And I felt so comfortable the whole time. I've never felt like I was going to get cracked wrong or hurt in the process. I think I'm just residual sore because I haven't been adjusted in over 8 years, but this feels so much more comfortable. I feel like I can move a lot more better too. And even just sitting up now feels more comfortable for me as well. This is something I'm definitely gonna make sure I keep up with moving forward, especially with the doctor, just because he didn't make me feel like I was, again, getting beat up or anything like that. It was comfortable, it was smooth. I felt safe the whole way through the process too. He was very informative, educating me exactly what he was doing while he was doing it, instead of just crack, whack, and move on. Really enjoyed it, definitely recommend it.
Thank you. Thank you.